Today I'd like to share with you that when I'm alone, how I practice English. So most of the time I don't get opportunity to practice English with anyone. So when I'm alone, I practice with myself. I mean, I be my own partner and practice English with myself. So how? Okay, I say, hey Ibrahim, where are you going? I'm going to the mosque to perform prayer. Oh, nice. Have you made ablution? No, I haven't. So how have you made ablution? I made ablution by using tubel's water. Wow, where is tubel? Tubel is in front of the mosque. Okay, let's go there. Okay. Okay, look. This is tubel where I made ablution by using tubel waters. So could you please help me to make my ablution? Why not? Obviously, I will help you. So, okay, please help me. So, like this way, you can practice English and you can be your own partner to speak English. So, I think this trick can help you to improve your speaking English. I want to say that when you are alone, you don't get partner. You can be your own partner and practice English. So, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Have a good day. Take care of yourself.